We are pleased to show you the 2025 Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the Crosstrek is built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.